Hello, my name is Philip Presswood. I work at the Writing Center at the University of Houston, Clear Lake. Today, through this video tutorial, I will show you how to use the software that the Writing Center has implemented for its online instant messaging chat tutoring function. We start from the main homepage of the University of Houston, Clear Lake. First, you'll need to navigate to the Writing Center's website at the following address: www.uhcl.edu/Writing Center, one word. From here, click on the left-hand navigation menu where it says Online Tutoring Info. This will open up a new window with information about our online tutoring services. I strongly suggest you read through the descriptions contained on the screen first before you proceed. Once you're ready, the first thing you'll need to do is install the software that we use for our IM chat tutoring. The software that we use is called AOL Instant Messaging Pro, or AIM Pro. It's very similar to the AIM software that's used widely around the world, with one important exception. It provides a higher level of security that meets the university requirements for sharing of student information online. Once you click on the AIM Pro link, it will take you to a page where you can get your free download of the software. You can choose to either run or save the program, and after a brief delay, you will be able to install the software. Depending on your connection, this can take several minutes. However, the program is not large. I already have a copy of the software installed on this system, so I will tell it to go ahead and overwrite the files. Once you've read through the software end user license agreement, check the box that says that you agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. This will complete the installation process of the software on your system. Once the software is successfully installed, click the Start button. The software runs in what's called a docked mode. As you can see, it's somewhat connected to the side of your screen, so that you have the majority of your screen still available for use. If you don't have a screen name, you will need to click on the link here that says Get a Screen Name. That'll open up a new browser window to create a screen name. It's very simple. Follow the instructions provided. Once you have your screen name, enter it in the screen name blank field, and then type in the password that you chose as part of the creating a screen name instructions process. Then click Sign In. The first thing the software will do is open up another browser window. Feel free to close this. The procedure for initiating online chat tutoring sessions is as follows. The Writing Center's screen name is UHCL WRIT, or University of Houston Clear Lake Writing Center. Our function, our status, will usually be invisible or hidden. Right now we are available, so anyone can see us logged into the system. We don't have any contacts listed here, but if we did and they were listed as available, their names would show up in these categories. It's very important that your screen name show as available, because we will always initiate the online chat tutoring session with you. You will not initiate it with us. It's not possible to initiate a chat session with someone that's classed as hidden or unavailable. At your prescribed session time, we will open up an instant message window. The top of the screen will contain the text that is being conveyed back and forth between the tutor and the tutee. The smaller text box at the bottom is used to compose the text that's sent to the upper screen. For our example purposes, I'll start an IM session with myself. I'll type in the name of the person I wish to talk to. It tells me at the top of the screen who I'm chatting with, and we have a secure connection as indicated by the lockbox. I type in my text at the bottom, and I hit enter, or you can click the send button. The green text is the text that I sent. Text that you send will appear with a green tint in the title heading. Text that you receive will appear blue. Since I'm sending it to myself, I'm both sending and receiving, so I've doubled the text on my screen. This will not occur during a normal chat session. Once the chat appointment session is complete, you have a few options for saving the data that is used in the IM window. You can either save the window, which will save it as an HTML file. For easy use, it'll open up in a web browser whenever you want to see it again. Or you can print the text to a local printer. Once your chat session is complete, you can X out of that window and exit the software. This concludes the video tutorial on using the University of Houston Clear Lake Writing Center's online instant messaging chat tutoring.